Okay, dear children, Namaskaram. Your periodic test is fast approaching. In class 7th in Sanskrit, most probably there will be two lessons. First lesson is Vande Bharata Mataram, and next lesson is Nityam Pibamaha Subhashidarasam. Okay, so in this first lesson, what all are questions you can expect for your periodic test that we will discuss in this video. Most probably there will be an unseen passage. You know how to answer the unseen passage. Read the paragraph 3 or 4 times, understand the message, the content of the paragraph, then start answering the questions. There will be questions Ekavadan Uttarada, Purnavakyana Uttarada, answer in one word and answer in full sentence. Okay, so the most important thing, read the paragraph and understand the content of the paragraph. Then it will be easy for you to answer the questions. Then there will be picture based sentence writing. Most probably, I think sentences will be there, only some words will be missing, and that words you can fill up. Okay, that usually that type of questions are coming for class 7. Now, textbook based questions. There will be paragraph based questions, and first paragraph, page number 3. अस्माकं भारतमातुः माहात्म्यं साक्षात् पर्वतराज्यः हिमालयः मुकुटरूपेण अस्याः मस्तके शोभते. That paragraph you can expect for the periodic test. So the question can be there, कः मुकुटरूपेण अस्याः भारतमातुः मस्तके शोभते. Answer, Himalaya. Who is shining on the head of Bharata Mata? Answer, Himalaya. Kaha Bharata Matuhu Charanau Prakshalayati? Who is washing the legs of Bharata Matu? And answer, Ratnagaraha Samudraha is the answer. Then Ke Parvadaha Bharata Bhumau Virajante. That question you can expect. Bharata Bhumau Mahendraha Malayaha Sakyaha Revatakaha Vindyaha Aravalihi Ityadayaha Parvadaha Virajante is the answer. Then Bharata in India, Bharate Kaha Pavitraha Nadyaha Pravahanti. Answer, Bharate Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, Sindhu, Brahmaputra, Gandaki, Mahanadi, Narmada, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri ityadayaha pavitraha nadyaha pravahanti. Kaha asmagam madaraha iva? That question also can be there. Answer, nadyaha. Rivers are just like our mothers. Asmagam madaraha iva. Okay. Then next paragraph. If the next paragraph is there for your examination, as then Bharata Bhumau Kani Nagarani Sushobante. In India, what all our cities are shining? Ayodhya, Madhura, Haridwaram, Kashi, Kanchi, Avantika, Vaishali, Dwarika, Puri, Gaya, Prayagaha, Padaliputram, Vijayanagaram, Indraprastham, Somanadaha, Amritasaraha, Iti Nagarani, Bharata Bhumau, Sushobante is the answer. Atra Vividebhyaha Pradeshebhyaha Asangyaha Janaha Kimartham Agachanti. If that question is there, your answer, Tirthakshetranam Dhulin Lalade Sthapayitum Vividebhyaha Pradeshebhyaha Asangyaha Janaha Agachanti. Many people are coming to India for getting the prasadam and for applying that prasadam on the forehead For that purpose, so many people are coming from different parts to India. Okay, that question can be there. Okay, next paragraph. Bharatamaduhu haste kaha vilasadi. What is shining on the hand of Bharatamata? Answer: Trivarnayudaha Rashtraധ്വജഃ. Okay, and asmin Rashtraധ്വജേ ke varnaha virajante. What are colors are shining in our national flag? Answer: Rashtraധ്വജേ kesaraha shvetaha haridaha cha varnaha virajante. ധ്വജസ്യ മധ്യേ കിം ശോഭതേ. ധ്വജസ്യ മധ്യേ നീലവർണം ചക്രം ശോഭതേ is the answer. त्रिवर्णध्वजस्य ऊर्ध्वभागे विराजते केसरवर्णः. केसरवर्णः कुत्र विराजते? केसरवर्णः saffron color. Where does saffron color shine? Okay, answer: त्रिवर्णध्वजस्य ऊर्ध्वभागे विराजते केसरवर्णः. Then केसरवर्णः कस्याः सूचकः अस्ति? Saffron color is the indicator of what? What does it indicate? That question can be there. एषः वर्णः त्यागपरम्परायाः शौर्यपरम्परायाः च सूचकः अस्ति. Yes. केसरवर्णः किं वक्तुम् अस्मान् प्रेरयति? That question can be there. केसरवर्णः जयतु सैनिकः इति वक्तुम् अस्मान् प्रेरयति. The saffron color motivates us to say जयतु सैनिकः. Okay, these are our questions you can expect. And next paragraph. कृषकबान्धवः अस्माकं भारतभूमिं सर्वदा सुस्वेदबिन्दुभिः सिञ्चन्ति. के भारतभूमिं सुस्वेदबिन्दुभिः सिञ्चन्ति. Who are watering India with their sweat? That is the question. Answer: कृषकबान्धवः. भारतभूमिः हरितवर्णमयी समृद्धा सस्यश्यामला च सञ्जाता. केषां परिश्रमेण? केषां परिश्रमेण भारतभूमिः हरितवर्णमयी समृद्धा सस्यश्यामला च सञ्जाता? That question can be there. With whose hard work India has become green and rich? Answer: कृषकाणां परिश्रमेण भारतभूमिः हरितवर्णमयी समृद्धा सस्यश्यामला च सञ्जाता. Okay. हरितवर्णरूपेण का अस्माकं राष्ट्रध्वजे विराजते? Question can be there. भारतमातुः समृद्धेः आभा हरितवर्णरूपेण अस्माकं राष्ट्रध्वजे विराजते. In our national flag, green color is there. That green color denotes the prosperity of India. That is the answer. जयतु कृषकः इति वक्तुम् अस्मान् प्रेरयति ध्वजस्थितः एषः हरितवर्णः. Question can be there. हरितवर्णः किं वक्तुम् अस्मान् प्रेरयति? The green color motivates us to say what? Answer: जयतु कृषकः. A farmer may become victorious. Jayadu Krishakaha. Okay, yes. Then next paragraph. Shvetavarnaha kasyaha dyodakaha. White color indicates. No, what does white color indicate? Question: Shvetavarnaha shandehe satyasya cha dyodakaha. It can be there. Then Vaijnanikehi भारतीयैः वैज्ञानिकैः महद यशः प्राप्तं केषु क्षेत्रेषु? In which field? Which all are the fields where Indian scientists have got glory, fame? Answer: अणुशास्त्रे, संगणकशास्त्रे, चिकित्साशास्त्रे, अंतरिक्षशास्त्रे, आयुधशास्त्रे इत्यादिषु विज्ञानस्य विभिन्नेषु क्षेत्रेषु भारतीयैः वैज्ञानिकैः महद यशः प्राप्तम्. Then and kaha वैज्ञानिकानां केषां धवलं यशः धवलवर्णरूपेण राष्ट्रध्वजस्य मध्ये विलसति. Whose white fame is shining in the middle of our national flag? Answer: Vaijnanikanam, scientists. The white fame of scientists. Vaijnanikanam Dhavalam Yashaha. Dhavalam means white. Yashaha fame. White fame of scientists is shining in the middle of national flag. Bharatiyam Vijnanam Shantim Pragatim Suraksham cha Pariposhedi. Bharatiyam Vijnanam Kim Pariposhedi. Bharatiyam Vijnanam Kim Pariposhedi. A question can be there. Bharatiyam Vijnanam Shantim Pragatim Suraksham cha Pariposhedi. Dhavalavarnaha Kim Vaktam Asman Prayaredi. The white color to say what? The white color indicates, or the white color motivates us to say something. What is that? What is that? Answer: Jayadu Vaijnanikaha. Okay, the Vaijnanika may win. That is the meaning. Then the last paragraph is there. Dvaje virajamanasya chakrasya nama kim? What is the name of the wheel which is shining on the national flag? Answer: Dharma Chakram is the answer. Asmin Chakre Kadi Araha Sandhi. How many spokes are there in this wheel? Answer: Chadurvimshadi. Asmin Chakre Chadurvimshadi Araha Sandhi. Chadurvimshadi means 24. Yedad Chakram Kim Bhavam Bodhayadi. What bhavam, what idea this wheel denotes? What is the idea which it denotes in this wheel? Etat chakram chalaniyam kartavyapade vai na virama sadadam chala iti bhavam bodhayati. Suryaha kam vina nityam samcharati. Suryaha viramam vina nityam samcharati. Nadi kashtani sahamana abhidhyayam prati nityam pravahati. Nadi kim prati nityam pravahati. Nadi dhyayam prati nityam pravahati. Ka dhyayam prati nityam pravahati. That type of questions can come. Nadi dhyayam prati nityam pravahati. That can be there. Idam chakram jivane srandehe alisasya pramadasya sthanam na bhavadu iti sandesham prayachati. Kim sandesham prayachati? Idam chakram, Neela chakram, Kim sandesham prayachati. What message this blue wheel gives us? A message. What is it? Answer: Jivane srandehe arisasya pramadasya sthanam na bhavadu. In our life, there should not be tiredness, there should not be laziness. Okay, that is the answer of that question. Okay, so these types of questions you can expect from the lesson. Okay, textbook based questions, paragraph based questions. There can be Ekapadana Uttarada, Purnavakyana Uttarada, answer in one word, answer in full sentence. Okay, so these all these questions we have discussed. And now the next important question is Prashna Nirmanam. Page number 11, third question is Prashna Nirmanam. Asmagam Valsala Bharata Mata. Asmagam is underlined. Your answer is Kesham. Then Samudraha Bharata Maduhu Charano Prashaladi. Bharata Maduhu. Answer: Kasyaha. Lalade Kasmin. Okay, the question word you can put on the underlined, on the place of underlined word. Lalade Kasmin. Viraha Ke. Asman Kan. Nadi Ka. Prayatnam Kim. These are the questions. Okay, that is very very important. You can expect these questions for your periodic test. Then Ekavajanam, Divajanam, Bahuvajanam, that also can be there. This can be there as fill in the blanks. Charanam, Charano, Charanan. Didiya. Okay, for answering this question, the best idea is that learn Balagaha, Balago, Balagaha. बालकः बालकौ बालकाः बालकं बालकौ बालकान् बालकेन बालकाभ्यां बालकैः बालकाय बालकाभ्यां बालकेभ्यः बालकात् बालकाभ्यां बालकेभ्यः बालकस्य बालकयोः बालकानां बालके बालकयोः बालकेषु. Okay, you study that. Okay, if you study that, you will be able to answer the vibhakti and vachanam. Okay, lalade, just like balake, saptami. Okay, lalade laladeyohu laladeshu balake balakeyohu balakeshu deshaya deshabhyam deshebhyaha chakram chakre chakrani, that is nabumsalinga. For that you have to study phalam phale phalani, chakram chakre chakrani. Okay, vaijnanikena vaijnanikabhyam vaijnanikehi, then aham avam vayam. Okay, aham avam vayam, aham I, avam we both, and vayam we all. Okay, that also can be there. Vijnanasya vijnanayoho vijnanana, that is shashti vibhakti. Now sometimes there will be sentences for translation, translate into English. Bharata bhumo pavitraha nadyaha pravahandi, in the land of India holy rivers are flowing, is the answer. Bharatasya mastake himalayaha mugada rupena shobhate, Himalaya is shining as crown on the head of India. Then Bharata bhumau shreshtaha parvataha virajante, in the land of India great mountains are shining. Okay, great mountains are shining in the land of India. Rashtraധ്വജേ kesaraha shvetaha haritaha cha varnaha santi, in the national flag there are saffron, white and green colors. Vayam bharate janma praptamantaha, we got birth in India. Okay, these are the questions. And vibhakti vachanam, you can expect sometimes only that will be coming. Okay, if it is coming you have to write. Okay, that also based on shabda rupa. Balakaha balako balaka shabda rupam, please study that shabda rupa, it is very important. If you study that shabda rupam you will be able to answer this question also. Okay, yes. Now next important is 8th question, page number 13. Bhavati bhavataha bhavanti, bhavasi bhavataha bhavata, bhavami bhavavaha bhavamaha, and asti staha sandhi, asi staha sta, asmi swaha smaha. This can be there as fill in the blanks. Okay, asti staha will be there, you have to write sandhi. Okay, it can come, fill in the blanks, it will come for examination, chance is there. Okay, if you study bhavati bhavataha bhavanti easily, ichchati ichchadaha ichchanti is just like that only, agachati agachadaha agachanti. Okay, if you study once dhatu rupam you will be able to answer other questions also. Asti staha sandhi is something different, that also you have to study. Asti staha sandhi, asi staha sta, asmi swaha smaha. Okay, these are our questions you can expect for the periodic test. And next lesson is Nityam Pibamaha Subhashita Rasam. There 9 slokas are there. 9 slokas are there. Sloka based questions you can expect from here. Sloka based questions. Okay, it can be there from this lesson. Okay, for answering sloka based questions, let us discuss the page number 23, Ekapatena Uttarada Purnavakyamada, that we can discuss. Naraha kadibihi vakarehi pujidaha bhavati. First question. A man is respected with how many va letters? That is the question. Answer panjabihi, 5 va letters. Man is getting respected with 5 va letters. Which are the 5? It is there in the sloka number 1. Vastrena, Vabusha, Vaja, Vidya, Vinayana. All these words are starting with the letter Va. That is why 5 Vas. Vastram, dresser, Vabuhu, body, Vaja, with the word, Vidya, knowledge, Vinayam, obedience. Okay, with these 5 Vas, a man is getting respected in the world. Purushena kadi doshaha hadavyaha. What all are bad qualities to be avoided by a man? Kadi means how many is the question. How many? Kadi, how many? Answer Shat. Ekavadana Uttarada. Shat, 6. 6 slokas are there, 6 doshas are there, and that is coming in the sloka number 2. षड् दोषाः पुरुषेण हातव्याः भूतिमिच्छता. A man who wants to get prosperity should avoid 6 bad qualities: nidra, tandra, bhayam, krodham, alasyam, dirghasutrata. Nidra, sleep; tandra, lassitude; bhayam, fear; krodha, anger; alasyam, laziness; and dirghasutrata is procrastination. Okay, these are the bad qualities a man should avoid. Okay, next one, buddhihi kena shuddhyati. Intellect becomes purified with what? That is the question. Buddhihi kena shuddhyati. The answer is there in the slogan number 3. Adbir gatrani shuddhanti, manaha satyana shuddhyati, vidya tabobhyam bhutatma, buddhihi jnanena shuddhyati. Shuddhyati means gets purified. Adbihi gatrani shuddhanti. Gatrani, the body gets purified with water, mind gets purified with the truth, and the soul of living beings gets purified with hard work and knowledge, and intellect becomes purified with knowledge, jnana. Okay. Jalabindu nipadena kramashah kaha puryate, which is getting filled with the drops of water gradually. That is the question. Jalabindu nipadena kramashah kaha puryate. Answer, Jalabindu nipadena. Answer is there in question slogan number 5. Jalabindu nipadena kramashah puryate gadaha. Answer, gadaha. Gadaha means a pot. A pot gets purified, gets filled. Sorry, a pot gets filled with the drop of water gradually. With the drops of water gradually. Gradually putting drops of water, a pot can get filled. Okay. Similarly, that is the reason for all knowledge, dharma, and dhanam, wealth. All these, wealth, a person can earn wealth gradually only, not all of a sudden. And similarly, he can get punyam, dharma, that also is getting slowly only, drop by drop. Okay. Yes. Knowledge also it is like that. All of a sudden a man cannot achieve knowledge. Knowledge can be got gradually. And alasyam kesham mahan ripuhu asti. Laziness is the big enemy of dash of people, manushya. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, so these questions answers you have to study. Naraha kadam pujito bhavati. Answer in full sentence. Naraha kadam pujito bhavati. Naraha vastrena vabusha vaja vidyaya vinayena cha pujitaha bhavati. Already I explained that one. Purushena ke doshaha hadavyaha. Purushena nidra, tandra, bhayam, krodha, alasyam, dirghasutrata cha doshaha hadavyaha. You have to study that. Then kasya buddhihi vistarita bhavati. Yaha padati, likhati, pashyati, paripruchati, panditan upasrayati, tasya buddhihi vistarita bhavati. This answer is there in the sloka number 6. Yaha padati, one who studies, likhati, writes, pashyati, sees, paripruchati, clears doubts, panditan upasrayati, depends on scholars. Okay, his intellect will get developed. Okay, that is the answer. Yaha padati, likhati, pashyati, paripruchati, panditan upasrayati, tasya buddhihi vistarita bhavati. Okay, yes. Next one. Kim krutva manushyaha na avasidati. Udyamam krutva manushyaha na avasidati. Udyama means hard work. If a person does hard work, he will not fall down. He will not meet failure. Vyasasya vajanadvayam kim. Vyasa has got 2 words. Answer is there in sloka number 9. Ashtadasha Puraneshu Vyasasya Vajanadvayam Paropakaraha Punyaya Papaya Parapidanam. Vyasa wrote 18 Puranas. Maharshi Vedavyasa, he wrote 18 Puranas. In all these 18 Puranas, there is only one message. Okay, two words are there. Parobagaraha Punyaya, Papaya, Parapedanam. Parobagaraha Punyaya, Parobagaram, giving help to others. That is the fruits of meritorious deeds. That is for Punyam. And Papaya, Parapedanam, bothering others, disturbing others, is for sin. Parobagaraha Punyaya, Papaya, Parapedanam. That is the answer of that question. Okay, then Udaharanansan Slogamsan Yojedu. You can expect that question also. Slogamsan Yojedu. Vidya Vabusha Vaja Vasrena Vinayena Cha. Vagarehi Panjabaryukto Naro Bhavadi Pujidaha. Slogas are there. One sentence is given. Second sentence you have to write. Okay, that sometimes it can come for your periodic test. That you go through the slogas and find out the answers. Okay, and fourth question. That will not be coming. Okay, there is no chance that question will not be there. And fifth question, Paryaya Padani. Vabuhu Shariram, Jalam Salilam, Lochanam Netram, Dhanam Vittam, Buddhihi Madihi Ribuhu Shatruhu. Very important. Paryayavaji Shabda can be there. Okay, then page number 26, sixth question, Sudagandana Sudagandabhyam Sudagandehi. For that purpose I told you, Balagaha Balago Balagaha. You study that Shabdarupam and apply here. Okay, easily you can get. And here one Srilinga is there, Ladaya Ladabhyam Ladabihi. For that purpose you have to study one Srilinga also, Baliga, Balige, Baligaha. That Srilinga also if you study, you will be able to answer this question also. Then seventh question, there is no chance, it won't come, no chance. And eighth one also, Riktasthana Pureda, sometimes only it will come, but anyway words will be given. Okay, for that purpose you have to read the slogas. Okay, so these two lessons will be there for your periodic test most probably. You have to ask your teacher how many lessons are coming. I hope these two lessons will be there, and if you study based on what I explained here, you will be getting A1. Okay, wish you all the best. Thank you children. Thank you very much.